My name is Srini Raju. I'm the Global Chief Executive Officer for Petronash Holding. Petronash is in the business of engineering and manufacturing oil field equipment, and we got offices all across the world. Primarily, the manufacturing locations are in Jebel Ali, Dubai, Dammam, Saudi, and Chennai, India. So we have around 800 employees across the globe, and we are continuously expanding on a regular basis, and all our clientele is all the global oil and gas companies across the world. Jafza is the strategic location for us. Primary advantage of Jafza being that it has provided us a lot of benefits in terms of governance, the ease of doing business. Primarily anything that we need to get in terms of permissions and other things, we easily get it from Jafza. And it is in a primary location. In terms of infrastructure, it has world-class infrastructure facilities. And also, we are nearer to the Jebel Ali Seaport and also Al Maktoum International Airport. So this gives us a huge advantage in terms of our supply chain and being a very cost-effective manufacturer. So apart from that, we also have custom duty exemption for all our imports, and also custom duty exemption for all our exports outside of UAE. So this is a great benefit, and it's not just an operational advantage for us, it's more of a strategic advantage. And we've been here 20 years, and the experience has been fantastic. Yeah, the advantage primarily being that, like I said before, it's nearer to the very good infrastructure. That's the key advantage. And also that Jafza hosts lots and lots of manufacturing companies like ours, and it's an ecosystem of around thousands of companies, and we take great advantage in terms of leveraging each other's skills and transfer of technologies, and so that really helps all of us grow, and it creates a lot of good environment for innovation. Petronash's presence in Jafza provides us a lot of advantages. We've been here in Jafza for over 20 years, and the experience has been fantastic. Jafza provides us lots of advantages like the ease of doing business. Any permissions, any cooperation that we need from the Jafza authorities, we were able to secure them, get them very fast, and that enabled us to streamline our growth. Apart from that, Jafza is in a fantastic strategic location in terms of Jebel Ali Port being very nearby for us, and also Al Maktoum International Airport. This has really given us great advantage in terms of our supply chain operations, so which results in very cost efficient import and export of all materials. Apart from that, there is definitely a financial advantage in terms of duties. For all our raw materials that we import into Jafza, we are exempted from the customs duty, and for all the finished products that we export outside of Jafza, outside of UAE, we are able to gain customs duty export exemption. So there's a lot of other benefits. It's a beautiful ecosystem that we have, and we are very happy to be here, and we would like to continue to be here for the coming decades. Petronash believes a lot in modernization, digitization, and also technology innovation. What I mean by that is that we invest a lot of time and effort into digitization of our processes. We have ERP, SAP as ERP, so our entire business process is driven by an ERP system, and at the same time we have a lot of automation across the factory in Jebel Ali itself and also other factories. The key concept of innovation is something that every time we do a process, we change it for the betterment of it. We implement Six Sigma and other quality tools that enable us to improve our operations. See, again, we thrive on partnerships. I mean, without that, we won't be able to be what we were, what we are, and what we achieved. And Jafza, for that matter, is a beautiful location because we have thousands of companies. We have our key customers like McDermott and Technip and other manufacturing companies here. We have our suppliers here, and even ADNOC and others are very nearby. So basically, we all it's an ecosystem where we share our knowledge, we implement new technologies, and we cooperate with each other, and learn from each other in terms of what we can do to better our products and services. So overall, the implementation of technologies across Petronash is partly as a result of our cooperation with companies inside Jafza and nearby. We have one of the best quality management systems built over a period of 25 years. So it's been a process that we have refined over several years. We have a dedicated QHSE department which takes care of our quality assurance and quality control, and our products have been top quality. We give a 20 to 25 year warranty. That itself says the quality aspect of it. Apart from that, we have business management systems which are completely computerized, and each and every process is well defined, well documented, and there are internal and external audits. We have ISO audits, we have ASME audits, we have a lot of other industry audits that happen regularly. Apart from that, we also have internal audits. We have internal auditors within the organization who goes to each division and randomly audits their process and this. So this actually helps us really improve our quality and be a role model for quality systems. The biggest advantage we have is the globalization. We are a UAE company. We have Jafza as our main manufacturing center, but we have a very solid engineering setup in India and other places. So what we do is bulk of the activities that we do are in-house. So thereby we maintain quality. That's the biggest advantage we have. We rarely outsource any of our activities. Yes, there are certain material that we buy from our suppliers, but other than that, bulk of the activities are in-house. That's one thing. And second thing is although we are a big manufacturing setup, bulk of the engineering, or almost 100% of the engineering, is done in-house. So that gives us a huge advantage over other of our competition who are either an engineering company or a fabrication company, but not both. Basically, the India operations is catering to it's a captive unit for UAE operations, to be precise. Apart from that, yes, we do have a reverse engineering. We do manufacture products in India that are used here. So what we do is, apart from integration of oil and gas products, we also do simple components like level gauges and transmitters and all those, and those are being exported to UAE. And likewise, we export some of the products that are manufactured in Jebel to India for Indian customers. So, I mean, for example, we have built certain products wherein we have introduced very high-end technology, digitized the complete mechanical equipment, wherein the equipment is able to do proactive alerts to the customer, so that the customer doesn't go to the system after it fails. They attend to it before it fails. And secondly, in terms of automation of our manufacturing, we have certain cope cutting machines, welding machines, and all those things completely automated, so that there's minimal manual labor but very high throughput. And then all our business process, if you really look at it, we have very less of paper consumption because everything is computerized. Whether you take emails or business systems or SAP, everything in Petronash is computerized, and so we use minimal of wastage of paper and other manual work. So that's giving us a great advantage. When it comes to sustainability, see, ESG is a big thing for us as well. So when you talk about energy efficiencies, we have completely converted the entire factories into LED lighting. So that way the energy consumption is less. And then we have also timers across. If there is no manual movement, then all the lights switch off. And then we have automated timing, which is after 6 p.m. only the lights turn on. And then again, even on the factory side, if there is no manual movement or any movement, then those lights are turned off. So that's as far as the energy consumption is concerned. As far as paper, I said we have digitized, so we use minimal of paper. And then even if you see single-use plastic, we try to eliminate. We have taken that as an initiative 3 years back, and right now we have provided coffee cups and water mugs, and everybody has to use that. And we try maximum to avoid single-use plastic. So that's as far as the sustenance is concerned, but also about wastage. We have very clearly demarcated wastage bins, recyclable, recyclable, and all those things. So that helps us a lot, and we use only Jafza approved, government approved contractors to dispose our waste. So all waste is properly taken and efficiently used to generate again power or anything else that the government deemed fit. So these are some of the initiatives that we are taking, and in addition to that, we might also expand into other solar energy and other energy efficient practices down the line. Yeah, I mean, UAE has been our primary focus 15 years back, and then slowly we started expanding into other geographies. But now there are new regulatory enforcement from those geographies wherein the local content is becoming very, very important for them. So obviously we are not able to manufacture and export products from here to countries like Saudi or Qatar, where the localization efforts are very heavy. So to alleviate that, what we have done is we have started already looking beyond GCC. We have explored into Africa, we explored into South America and Europe and Far East, where those localization enforcements are not that big. But also there are a lot of opportunities for our products, and we are also expanding into new other product line. Apart from the conventional products that we use, we are also building new products and that are kind of niche and they are not used many places, so that gives us a added advantage. So these are the efforts that we are doing. There is a product technology department, dedicated department for us, which is completely responsible for new product lines. But as part of new product line strategy, what we have done is we have also looked into sustainability programs that we have partnered with few of other international companies like Yokogawa and others. So basically we have introduced new product lines into hydrogen and also carbon capture. So the carbon capture is becoming a big time in ADNOC and many other oil companies. So we are developing products which will enable us to participate in those huge projects which are carbon capture, hydrogen, and all those things. Apart from that, we are experts in solar energy. Almost most of our products we have introduced solar power, so they are self-sustained and clean energy that is provided to the product itself. So we don't need to use the grid or any other environment causing power. So like I said, most of our products, when you need power to the product, so basically what happens is if you're in the middle of a desert, because some of our products are going into oil fields which are in the middle of desert and there's no other infrastructure available, or even if you need infrastructure, you need to spend a lot of money to be able to send that. So what we have done is we have introduced solar panels and the battery boxes, which basically create their own energy and supply that energy to the product itself. So that way it's completely independent. So we have hundreds of products in different fields across the world, and we are slowly trying to eliminate the requirement for any other energy, and solar itself is good enough. And even some of the technology like self-cleaning solar panels. Basically, you don't need maintenance as well. So there's no need for crews to go to the remote areas to be able to clean these. So the innovation is happening on a daily basis. Our key markets obviously is UAE. and in the GCC we have UAE, and we have Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and then there are other markets like North Africa and Far East, Southeast Asia in particular, and then also the Latin America countries. So, and some of the clients are obviously ADNOC is one of our biggest clients, and then we have Aramco, we have PDO, we have BP, British Petroleum, and we have NPCC, all the EPC contractors, local EPC contractors like NPCC, Petrofac, and then we have Technip and Technicas and other international contractors.